Welcome to DeltStack. If you have been trying to browse the web only to be stopped by a too many requests error in Microsoft Edge, don't worry. It's a common hiccup usually tied to your browser's cache or an overloaded server communication. In this tutorial, we will walk through the most effective ways to clear this error and get you back online. First, let's try the simplest fix, a hard refresh. Hold down the Control key and press F5. This forces Edge to ignore its cached version of the page and request a brand new copy from the server. If that doesn't work, the issue is likely stored in your browser data. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy, Search and Services. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data and click Choose What to Clear. Set the time range to All Time. Ensure that cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Then hit Clear Now. This clears out any corrupted tokens that might be spamming the website with ghost requests. Sometimes a faulty extension is a culprit. Type edge/extensions in your address bar and try toggling your extensions off one by one, especially any VPNs or ad blockers, to see if the error disappears. Finally, if you're still stuck, check your system's time and date settings. If your clock is out of sync with the server, the security handshake might fail and trigger this error. Synchronize your clock in Windows settings and restart Edge. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.